Hello guys. Welcome to WRAL Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Clarion Pointe Wake Forest, Raleigh North. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool and a tea, coffee maker in all rooms. The Clarion Pointe Wake Forest, Raleigh North is located off Route 1, just minutes from historic downtown Wake Forest. The Southeastern Baptist Theological Seminary and the Factory Ice House and Soccerplex are less than 4 miles from the hotel. The Raleigh Convention Center and the Raleigh-Durham International Airport are only a short drive away. Triangle Town Center Mall is located 10 minutes away. Visitors to this area of North Carolina can enjoy boating, fishing, hiking and swimming at nearby Falls Lake State Recreation Area. Several golf courses are located nearby. A variety of antique and specialty shops, restaurants and cocktail lounges are located in the surrounding area. Downtown Raleigh, several museums and sports arenas, such as the WRAL Soccer Complex, are within 25 minutes of the hotel. Additional local businesses and corporations include Flextronics International, PowerSecure, Wake Electric, Nova Zymes, Southeastern Emergency Equipment, CenturyLink Inc. and Corporate Chaplains of America. Guests can enjoy full-service amenities and features including free hot breakfast, free local calls, free weekday newspaper and free coffee. It also features an exercise room, indoor pool and hot tub. Business travelers will appreciate conveniences including free high-speed internet access in all rooms, voicemail, a business center and access to copy and fax services. All guest rooms include 32-inch flat-screen televisions with high-definition cable including free HBO, hair dryers, irons, ironing boards and coffee makers. Some rooms are equipped with microwaves and refrigerators. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.